Hello bachcho, let's read the question here. The question says the cytokine barrier among these is option A polymorphonuclear neutrophils, option B monocytes, option C NK cells or natural killer cells, option D interferons and option E macrophages. तो ये क्वेश्चन को समझने से पहले वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई कि जो की कंसेप्ट इधर है दैट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज साइटोकाइन barrier. Now cytokine एक Greek word है which comes from two words. Cyto comes from cytos जिसका मतलब होता है cell and kine comes from kainos जिसका मतलब होता है movement. So it helps in some form of cell movement. कैसे? We'll understand that. जब भी कोई भी जगह पे there is an infection का मतलब the bacteria or the pathogen has gained access to that particular region. जो चीज इधर होगा is that ये infection में there will be first inflammation. जब भी infection होगा there will necessarily be an inflammation. Now ये जब inflammation होता है what happens is that there will be certain type of substances produced by the cell which are in certain cases interferons. These interferons mainly help in sending signals. It will send up signals to the phagocytes. Phagocytes हो सकता है. If it's in cases of tissue, it can be macrophages. Basically, the phagocyting मतलब जो भी आपके पैथोजन को phagocytose करेगी, that is, it will kill the pathogen, उनको ये signals भेजेगा. That is your interferons. Interferons generally are used as antiviral agents. तो जब भी एक वायरस अटैक करता है, in those cases interferons is produced. तो बेसिक आइडिया यही है. तो साइटोकाइन बैरियर इसमें क्या है? साइटोकाइन बैरियर हियर स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरफेरॉन्स बिकॉज दिस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ब्रिंगिंग अबाउट द मूवमेंट ऑफ द सेल्स. कौन से सेल्स? फैगोसाइट्स एंड मैक्रोफेजेस. Phagocytes and macrophages will be the type of cells that will move to the site of inflammation. So these cells will move to the site of inflammation then. जिसकी वजह से this is cause or this is responsible for bringing about cell movement. So the interferons, which are the antiviral agent, will try to act as the cytokine barriers. So option D, interferon, should be the correct answer for this particular question. Option A, that is polymorphonuclear neutrophils, acts as cellular barriers. Likewise, monocytes is also cellular barriers, natural killer is also cellular barriers, and macrophages is also cellular barriers. Only interferon will act as a cytokine barrier. तो अगर हम समराइज करें कि हमने क्वेश्चन में क्या देखा, हमने पहले देखा कि साइटोकाइन का मतलब क्या होता है, सेल मूवमेंट. और फिर हमने देखा कि interferons, which is an antiviral agent, how it helps in bringing about the movements of phagocytes and macrophages to the site of inflammation. जिसकी वजह से interferons, that is option D, becomes the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood this question well. Best of luck.